Most traders enter the market with hope. They hope the price will go up. They hope the loss will recover. They hope the market will understand their logic. Hope feels natural because hope is human. But the market does not work on hope. The market works on reality. And reality is shown only by price. Price tells us what buyers and sellers are actually doing with their money. It does not care about opinions, news, or feelings. When a trader follows hope instead of price, he slowly disconnects from reality, and that is where losses begin. Many traders believe that indicators will protect them. They believe lines, signals, and formulas will give them confidence. But indicators are only a reflection of price. They do not create movement, they only show what has already happened. When a trader watches indicators more than a price, he is listening to a delayed voice. Price is the original message. Everything else is only an echo. The market always speaks first through price. The problem is that most traders do not trust what they see. They look for comfort instead of clarity. A trend is not complicated. When price keeps moving higher and does not fall much, buyers are strong. When price keeps moving lower and does not rise much, sellers are strong. This behavior repeats again and again. It happened many years ago and it happens today also. Human emotions do not change, so price behavior also does not change. Fear and greed moves market, not indicators. When we understand this, trading becomes simpler. A strong market does not fall easily even when bad news comes. Buyers support the price and do not allow it to drop much. This shows real demand. On the other hand, a weak market does not rise much even when good news comes. Sellers appear quickly and push price down again. News can confuse traders, but price never lies. Price shows the true strength or weakness of the market. Many traders want full confirmation before acting. They want every signal to agree. They want certainty. But the market never gives certainty. By the time everything looks perfect, the move is already halfway done. The market does not reward comfort, it rewards clarity. Clarity comes from watching price calmly and accepting risk, not for waiting for perfect conditions. Hope becomes dangerous when a trade goes wrong. A trader buys, price goes down, and instead of accepting the mistake, he hopes the market will turn back. Hope does not move price, only buyers and sellers move price. Holding a losing trade because of hope is not patience, it is fear of accepting loss. Every trader experiences this, but successful traders learn to cut losses early and move on without any emotions. The strange thing in trading is this: traders sell good trades too early and hold bad trades too long. They fear losing profit, so they exit winners quickly. They fear accepting loss, so they hold losers. This feels logical emotionally, but it is wrong in reality. The market rewards the opposite behavior. Winners need patience, losers need quick action. This lesson looks simple, but it takes time to accept. Big money in the market is never made from small moves. Big money is made when a trader catches a big trend and stays with it. But trends test patience. Price will pause, it will pull back, it will scare traders out. This is natural. The market removes impatient people before continuing the move. Traders who react to every small movement will never stay long enough to benefit from big trends. Courage in trading does not mean taking big risks. Courage means sitting quietly when nothing needs to be done. Courage means not reacting to every candle. Courage means trusting price even when emotions feel uncomfortable. The market tests this courage again and again, again and again, and only those who can stay calm survive in the long run. Indicators often create delay. They confirm moves after they happen. This makes traders late. Price, on the other hand, shows change immediately. It shows when buying strength is increasing and when selling pressure is rising. Price is alive. Indicators are history. When traders depend on too much on tools, they lose confidence in their own judgment. Many traders become confused because different indicators give different signals. When signals disagree, they freeze. When signals fail, they panic. This happens because they never trained themselves to read price directly. Trading is not about finding the perfect tool. It is about learning to observe price honestly, without emotion and without bias. The market does not care about your opinion. It does not care about your logic. It does not care about your hope. It only reacts to demand and supply. When demand is strong, price rise. When supply is strong, price falls. This rule never changes. Once a trader accepts this truth, trading becomes cool, calm, and clear. The real edge in trading is not intelligence, it is perception. The ability to see what is happening, not what you want to happen. This skill develops slowly. It comes from watching the market daily, accepting mistakes, and staying honest with yourself. There are no shortcuts. Many traders fight reality. They add more indicators, they search for better news, they look for stronger opinions. But reality does not change because you argue with it. The market only responds to behavior. When you stop fighting and start observing, things become simple. Trading Vijnanic teaches one simple principle: stop hoping, start observing. Respect price, respect trends, cut losses early, hold winners patiently, accept the discomfort. This is not easy, but it is simple, and simplicity is strength in trading. The market is not against you, it is neutral. It only shows you your behavior. When hope replaces discipline, losses appear. When reality replaces hope, consistency begins. Trading is not about predicting the future, it is about responding correctly in the present moment. If you are struggling in trading, it does not mean you are weak or you are unlucky. It means you are still learning to separate hope from reality. This separation is the real journey of a trader. Once you learn it, the market stops feeling dangerous. It starts feeling honest. Stay patient, stay observant, stay grounded in price. Over time, the market will teach you everything you need to know, not through words, but through behavior. And when you finally learn to listen, trading becomes less stressful and more natural. Thank you so much.